Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day, what a day. Hail. Doesn't even have the decency to snow. I mean, is there any more stupid form of precipitation than hail? Jahangi, uh, we're friends, right? I mean, we're associates. We work together. We share things. Panoramic X-ray machine, for example. We're close. Well, in proximity. Listen, that's not the point. I met a woman, the kind of woman that makes you want to go back in time before you ever met her. Whatever the hell life was like back then, it isn't as bad as the hell now. Knowing she's out there and you can't have her. Listen, what I'm trying to say is, could you write me a prescription for Percocet? Well, I can't write it for myself, can I? Not legally. I mean, or Darvin, or Vicodin. Just like 30 or 60 count, you know, and then I'll be straight out of your hair. I don't want to keep bothering you, you know. It's for my sleep and to forget she ever existed. I'm not even going to ask for morphine. Wait, listen. I answered that question, okay? The one from last week. This business of me being such a fucking prick. Where is it getting me? Nowhere. Obviously. I'm saying I heard you, and I heard her too, even if it's too late. You're a good man, Jahangi, and a far better dentist than me. Just don't tell anyone I said that.